Hey friends, welcome to the video. In this one I'm going to show you a really simple little lighting trick for product photography to get really dramatic lighting and get shots just like this. I'm going to be using a piece of foam core just like this, an old piece, and Ulanzi LED light. I will link both of these in the description, but you could just use a table lamp and a piece of card. And in terms of products we're going to be shooting, I want to say a massive thank you to Clocks and Colors for partnering on the video and sending over a whole bunch of products for us to shoot. In this particular demonstration we're going to be playing with this Clocks and Colors ring. This is the Scorched Earth ring, and it's going to make a great subject for our photography. Now if you like these products you're in luck, because we're also doing a $500 giveaway to use on their website so you can get your hands on some of these products. All you need to do is comment on this video and then hit the link in the description and sign up to their newsletter. The great thing is anyone who signs up to their newsletter automatically gets a $40 gift code to use on their website as well. I'll give some more details about the giveaway later on in the video. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using the foam core to block out most of the light and create a small shard of light to light our product. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is cut a small sort of triangular shape out of the piece of foam core or the card that you're using. And then you're going to want to bend the card so that you can stand it up on its own without anything. So once you've got that slit cut in the card, you want to set that down on whatever surface you want to photograph onto. In this case, I'm using another piece of foam core. And then you want to place your light source just behind it. Now, once you've got your light source behind there, you can see that as you move the light around, it changes the way the light is thrown through the hole in the card. If you move it closer, it spreads the light wider, and if you pull it back, it will make a narrower shard of light. And also if you put side to side, it will again change the shape of the light. So once you've got that, you want to place your product down in a way that is going to sort of complement the product. So look at how you want the light to be bounced off of the product. And not only that, look at which piece of the product that you want to be showing off or casting light onto. In this case, the ring is quite a small product, so I actually want the light to be bouncing off of most of it. If it's a bigger product, like a watch or something bigger, you might actually just want to bounce this light onto a particular part of the product that you want to show off. Now at this point you want to consider how you are taking the photograph and which direction you want the light to be coming from. In most cases you want to be lighting this from the side or from the back, and then you photograph towards the light, so you're kind of getting the highlight bouncing off of the product and into the camera. The lens that you use on the camera will be very dependent on the type of product that you've decided to photograph. In this case, because I'm photographing a ring and it's quite a small product, I'm going to be using a 90mm macro lens. But you could be using any lens for this. You just have to work with what you've got and get the best results that you can. So we're just moving the product around and looking at all of the different interesting ways that the light is going to cast onto the product, and we'll take a whole bunch of different shots and just show off all the different interesting things that we can do with this light. I'll go into the editing process in a minute, but there are loads of different ways that you can compose these shots. I'm not going to go into too much detail on composition in this video. I want to focus on the lighting itself, but if you put extra things in there or change the textures in the background, you can really make some interesting shots using this lighting technique. And the thing I love about this lighting technique is it's really simple. You can just do it with a couple of things. Anyone can have a go at this at home. So when you're shooting small products and things like this, there are often little particles of dust that you don't really see with your eye, that you only see on the big computer screen afterwards. You can mitigate this by cleaning up the setup and trying to keep everything clean, maybe wearing gloves if you're handling products like these, but you're always going to want to clean the product up afterwards. So you're just going to use the healing tool in Lightroom. It's sometimes faster to do this in Photoshop, but you can do it in Lightroom, no problem. So you just want to use the healing tool and click on all those tiny little specks of dust, all these little scratches and all of the imperfections that are going to distract. Now, these things individually don't make a huge difference, but when you spend the time and actually clean up the whole shot, you can see the before and after. It's day and night. This after product just looks clean and undistracting. You can really focus on the product. Before, it looked good, it was an interesting shot, but it didn't quite have that polish. As I said, there are loads of different ways that you can compose this shot and create a scene. I'm not going to go into too much detail about composition in this video. I just wanted to focus on that lighting technique. But if you would like me to go into more detail or maybe make a video about composition in the future, just let me know in the comments. So I want to say a massive thank you once again to Clocks and Colors for sending over these products. Product photography is always fun, but it's even more fun when you've got a really nice product to shoot and something that's got a story behind it. So let's talk about that giveaway. One of you can get $500 $100 worth of stuff from their website simply by commenting on this video and joining their newsletter via the link in the description. And anyone who does that will automatically get a $40 gift card. Clocks and Colors will be in touch with the winner about a week after I post this video. So, you know, get involved, get yourself some nice products from their site. And once again, huge thanks to those guys for sending over the products. I'll link all the equipment I used in this video in the description, and I really hope you found this video useful. There is so much fun to be had shooting product photography, especially when you're playing with light in the way that we were in this video. I'll put a bunch of other videos that I think will help you on the screen right now. If you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit the button, and if you do that, I will see you in the next video. Enjoy your photography.